All right, guys. As I was saying, with line charts, you can easily plot your support and resistance level. So, if I wish, I can just take this. Or yeah, maybe fine tune it to touch as many times. But it's okay to be since it's the bottom. It can be here. With line charts, you can easily plot your your support and resistance level easily. So when you look at my template, um take my chart, this is my support and resistance level. This is the highest support or highest resistance. This is it was once a resistance, but now it's a support level. So this one is really strong because you see the price keeps bouncing, but it finally comes down. It breaks, bounce again, and it actually breaks it. So now I can go back to my chart. So we are on a daily time frame, G1. Now if I want to take my trade, normally on a daily time frame, we see that the market was actually going coming down, but it has maybe break our resistance level. So we talk about the market being maybe the support and resistance being a zone. This is a zone. So now this market has actually break this zone, comes back to retest, and I know definitely it's going to go up. That's how it's gonna go. Definitely it's gonna go up. That's what I know because it has actually comes here. It didn't really it come here, but it didn't really. I can have intermediate support and resistance level as well. Sometimes I need to measure if they are around 50 distance between the previous um support or resistance level to the support level is 50 pips. Yeah, we have when you look at the value. How many do we have? It's very more than 50. It means it's a very big gap which you can trade inside this gap. You can make a lot of money. It has 1,252 points, which is about 125 pips. So from here it's still good. Um, though I'm plotting the support and resistance level, I usually do what they call the psychological level. Um, I'll be talking more about the psychological level maybe in my subsequent videos. That one is my actually part of my strategy, what I'm doing. But sometimes if I'm like want to just look the market, I mean I also want to do straight. Or I've not set any maybe my I've not set my template. I can just look at the chart. Or if I want to do a swing trading that will cut across, I usually do better support and resistance level. But if I'm doing day trading, I'll prefer the psychological levels where I have to maybe the distance from one level to another. I have to maybe give about 50 pips or 100 pips so that I can scalp, or maybe I can pick some pips within the distance, the support and the resistance level. But now I am actually doing my support and resistance level, not following the psychological level. So if I want to do maybe a swing trade, maybe to leave a trade to stay about maybe 1 or 2 days or three, maybe a week, I usually plot but just normal support and resistance level. So when you look at this chart, we already know that the market has come down. The market came down, bounces off this support level, goes back up and break my zone. It breaks my line and even the zone. It comes back and is what they call testing the the support level. It's already started. The movement already started. The movement has already started. So there's this book I'm reading, they call it Naked Trader. They call it the last kiss. So what this action is, the last kiss. So it breaks, and pap, it gave me the last kiss. I have to buy it. Since I know from my analysis that my daily chart that the market was in an upward trend. When you look at this, let me draw my trend line during it in an upward trend. So if you look at the market bounces here once, it bounces here once, it moves up, it comes, it almost wants to bounce, but here, but it did not. It goes up and bounces here twice. So already I'm expecting that it's going to go up, form another higher high, even more than this higher high, which is higher than this one, and comes back. It can bounce here and continue, or it can as well really comes down to this trend line and bounces here and then goes up, or it can now decide to break down because that's actually touched it 3 times. So this is actually how I analyze the market. I'm gonna show you guys I'm gonna film this very analysis and show you guys how the market actually move. So this is actually for a long trade or a swing trade. Now if I want to do my daily trade, if I want to take a daily trade, so this is the actually technical analysis for a swing trade. Now if I want to do a daily trade, I will move down to the 4 hours. I know that the market is already going back up, so definitely I'm gonna be buying. I'm gonna be buying whatever thing I'm doing. Now the only thing I want to do here is to see again, well, where we are, the current market, where we are, whether we the movement has already started up moving. I go down to 1 hour time frame, and I come back to my where I did my analysis to check what is happening, just to see. So we see that the market has come, it has tested my zone, it has gone up, it tested my zone, it's going up back, and there's a little bit of retracement, and it will come here, form, what it will do here is just form another higher low. So it will form another higher low, and possibly goes up. And also, when you look at this, bam, it's just forming a higher low, it's going up, it's actually going up, it's an upward trend. So now what I will be doing is, if I want to enter this market, I will have to go down now to the 15-minute time frame. I'll go right down now to the 15-minute time frame to do my snippet entry. But I'm not gonna to do my snippet entry. I'm not gonna do it now. I'm I just, maybe tomorrow when the market starts, I'm just gonna check my analysis and maybe I enter the trade. When you look at it, if you look very well, you already see that the market is actually turning at this point, because we have a lot of weak rejection. We also have this uh dodges, this star, they call it what is star, spinning bottom, I then you have this other candle. So it's giving me a sensation. Even here, when you look at it, you have this doji, you have this weak rejection, telling you that the buyers, these weak rejections are telling me that the buyers are actually there. So it's going to be going up. So by tomorrow I'm gonna see this, if the market starts the New York session, because we are trading the London session we are trading JPP USD. So I'm gonna be looking out for this trade tomorrow morning on Friday to take. Maybe right now I can, like, if I like, I scalp, because I know that I'll be scalping to about 150 pips. Then I know that you can now 150 pips here. From there, 50 pips, I can go up here 65, 100 to 650 pips. I can be scalping from there. 100 to 50, that's 100 pips. Okay, around here. So I'll be expecting to be taking profit right up to this point. I'm expecting to take 100 to 50 pips. Let me see. I'll be expecting to take profit right up to this point. Let me remove this trend now. I want to drop it just a line here. Yeah, so that I know that I'll be scalping from here to here. Let me put it to 100 here. So I can even decide I place a buy by tomorrow. You by tomorrow you see that the market will go up. Okay, let me actually let me place a buy even if the market is not open, but I'm expecting that tomorrow the market will go up, right up, and I'm expecting to go even further to this other resistance level, to this other resistance level, until it might come here and maybe move sideways. Then now maybe move sideways, comes here, maybe move sideways, or maybe form higher height, or maybe break this, comes and bounce back and go, or maybe breaks this trend line. Okay, so that is it. Tomorrow in the morning I'm gonna take this trade. Maybe we'll look this trade. Okay, guys. I'll be maybe let's look for the news and see what news is there for us to trade tomorrow. Okay, for the news, um, tomorrow is Friday. What's the time? Is it already 12? It's 11 o'clock. So tomorrow is Friday, the 16th of August. I'm gonna look for any high impact news to prepare myself. The ones we read are high impact news. So there's a news at 12 a.m. That's today, 12 o'clock a.m. In the morning, which is high impact, but I'm not gonna trade that. There's a news at 7 a.m. Okay, Great Britain pound. This one, Great Britain pounds. Retail sales month in month. I think this one is the retail sales month in month is good. By 7:30, I have to, well, 7 o'clock a.m. my time. Yes, because 7, is it my time? Is it actually my time? Let me see the date. Time is 9:11, but the time here is 11 something, so it's not actually my time. I'm gonna set it to people. I'm gonna actually set this to fit my time, because it's a Casa. Is it Casablanca? We are not in Casablanca, but we are actually in GMT plus one. So, but I'm gonna choose West Africa. Cameroon is in West Africa. Maybe West Africa GMT. That's GMT plus one. Let me look. GMT plus one. Oh, GMT plus one. West Africa. West Central Africa. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna set West Central Africa GMT plus one safe setting. Okay. Then now let's watch now what time the is it gonna be.